Did you know that you can install Windows 10 without needing a USB drive? In this video, you will learn how to install Windows 10 directly from your hard drive. Open your favorite browser. Search for Windows 10 download. Open Microsoft website. Scroll down. Create a Windows 10 installation medium. Download now. Click here. Open Media Creation Tools. Install it. Double click. Yes. Accept. Select Create Installation Media. Next. Again, next. Select ISO file. We need to download Windows 10 ISO. Select and next. Select your location. Where do you want to download your Windows image? I want to download on desktop. Save. Downloading Windows 10. Wait until this process finishes. Then close it. When you download Windows 10, you need one extra software. Open your browser. Search for Rufus. Open Rufus website. Scroll down. Download Rufus. In this step, right click on Start. Find Disk Management. Click on Action. Create VHD. Browse. Find C drive. Create one folder here. Write one name VHD. Open VHD folder. Write here file name also VHD. Save. Virtual hard disk size. Select GB. 10 GB is enough. Okay. I create disk drive. Right click on disk 1. Initialize disk. Okay. Right click on drive. Select new sample volume. Next. Next. You can change your drive name. I want to change to A. Next. Write volume label. I want to write VHD. Next. Finish. Now we create this drive. In this step, double click on Rufus. Run it. Yes. Yes. VHD A drive detected by default. Select Find Windows 10 ISO. Volume label, write VHD. Start. Make sure to select all. Okay. 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 Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. This step will take a while. Close it. Again, open this PC. Open VHD drive. Right click on Setup. Run as administrator. Click on yes. With this method, you don't lose any data. Don't worry. Click on next. Your system will restart several times.